Dozens of people made their voices heard to state insurance regulators. It was a response to the state's proposal to increase the amount you pay for homeowners insurance.
The insurance industry released a proposal earlier this month, but here's the problem. They want an increase, an average of 42% statewide. Our Capitol Bureau Chief Laura Leslie joins us live tonight from the Department of Insurance in Raleigh. And Laura, some people say that they can't afford this.
Gerald, a lot of people say they can't afford this. You know, this has been the most controversial rate increase request in recent memory. The Department of Insurance here has already received more than 8,800 written comments about it, and almost all of them, of course, were negative. And that, of course, continued today as the hearing officer heard from dozens and dozens of angry homeowners.
Where is our Consumer Protection Division?
Margie Kiss was one of many speakers who called the request outrageous. She pointed out home insurers just got an increase in 2020.
You plan on another negotiated rate increase where anything under 10% sounds like a win to the public, when in fact it is a thinly disguised attempt to engage in and justify what on its face appears to be extortion.
The Rate Bureau is not part of the Department of Insurance. It's an independent agency representing the insurance industry. In Wake and Durham counties, the Bureau is asking for a rate increase of 39% starting in August. The average yearly insurance bill in this area would increase by more than $500. Along the southeastern coast, they're asking for a 99% increase for beach communities. The average yearly insurance bill in those areas would increase more than $5,500. Elizabeth Hartman is a Marine veteran and commander of American Legion Post 539 in the eastern part of the state. She said many active and retired military members are on fixed incomes. Some depend on food stamps to get by, and they can't cover double their insurance bill. She said some could lose their homes. Others might choose to move away or decide not to retire here.
We constantly hear politicians, pundits say how much they support the military and support our veteran communities. And yet when these proposals come through, it's almost as if they've completely forgotten these people that they swear they support.
The Department of Insurance will negotiate with the Rate Bureau behind closed doors to reach a compromise. In 2020, insurers asked for a 24% increase, but ultimately got 8%. Now, State Insurance Commissioner Mike Causey did not attend today's meeting here in person. A spokesman for the department said their attorney advised that he not attend because he has to continue to be an impartial judge in this situation. But in a statement late today, Causey said that he did hear the comments and he is taking all of them seriously.
All right, Laura Leslie, live in Raleigh. Thank you, Laura.